What's going on, everybody? You ready for this POV? It's 80-something degrees outside, end of December in Texas. Last year, I'm pretty sure it was like 30 degrees, almost snowing. Anyway, so it's a really hot day. I got my wife in the car. We're gonna get coffee, so come join us. We are wearing matching sunglasses. Pretty fucking dope. So let's get this started. Let's put those windows down and have some fun. You going La La Land, right, babe?
Yeah.
All right, let me go here. La Land. Oh, you know what? I actually know where it is. I don't even need to do that. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's a struggle, all right. Loud. You know, we haven't driven with this tune, babe, with the windows down, and it is loud as fuck when it pops.
I know, right?
Holy dang, especially when it echoes, you're like, what the? Let's see what I'm running. I think I'm at E35, E36. I think I'm gonna look at Airbnbs tonight or today at some point for tomorrow.
That'll be fun. Take the subscribers on a drive. We're famous. What's it called?
I don't know. Well, it's not famous.
It's not?
No, but the spot you're talking about is called Coco's Corner.
That, yeah.
No, those are some really fun back roads. Holy shit.
Stay tuned, subscribers.
Stay tuned. Feel good?
Yeah.
Man, I love the hot weather. It's so
Me
nice.
too.
I'm not gonna lie, hot wife, nice car, windows down, shit. I'm
What more
living.
can you ask for?
I'm living the dream. Let's check out clearing out. Let's go ahead and pull.
That was
Holy shit. Wow, we need some tunnels or something.
Yeah.
That'd be nuts. It sounded crazy.
It sounded crazy.
It sounds actually really good. Like, holy shit. The windows down experience is pretty nice, huh, bub? I hope it sounds like it doesn't mess up like the audio on me, but we will see. A little bit, yeah. We'll see. It might sound decent still, but we know that guy.
I wonder if he's a Chipotle.
Or Rah Rah Land.
Oh wow, it's so crazy.
Oh shit. Holy shit. That's gonna be interesting. Got a big old camera strapped to my freaking forehead. Let's get a coffee, cheers, say goodbye. That'll be perfect, right, babe? Alrighty, let's do it. Hey, check out these shoes my wife got me for Christmas. Hey, they look sick. Thanks, babe.
Of course.
All right. It is so busy. Thank you.
Thank you. Cheers.
Cheers. Well, y'all, thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Hope it's nice, warm, and the sun is out where you're at. It's great. Post-Christmas Day, day after Christmas, right? Post-Christmas Day. Is that even how you say it? Shit, I don't even know how to speak English. Anyway, all right, guys. Peace.
Bye.
Bye-bye.